Hi, I'm Simon Kareem. Welcome to Riverwalk Pointe in Jupiter, Florida, the area's only 55 plus luxury community. Right here at 1044 South US 1, you'll find active, maintenance free living blended with resort style comfort. You'll enjoy a heated pool, BBQ area, fitness center, and weekly social events. Just steps away, stroll your private Riverwalk trail along the intracoastal, linking you to Harborside Place, dining, shopping, and entertainment at your doorstep. Enjoy Jupiter's best from waterfront dining at 1000 North and Jetties to outdoor adventures at Riverbend and Dubois Parks. Every day offers something new. Rents here range from about $2,085 up to $2,651, depending on your floor plan. Riverwalk Point is offering a month free on select 2 and 3 bedroom homes. So if you're ready for a vibrant social lifestyle in Jupiter, Riverwalk Point is the place to be. I'm Simon Kareem. Call or text me at 5617040091 or visit simoncancel.com to schedule your tour.